and bought something for me this week. Noticed there was a hornet's nest there and killed all the hornets in my shop, so I appreciate that. Traded through with a 24.592, and my Mountain Dew is here. Let's go. It is grip day. All right, this looks like Chad. This is Chad, right? In his 5.0 Mustang, another competitor grip that has gotten faster and faster every single month, making it into the top 16 last month. We'll see if he can do it again this time. Chad started out driving with us. I don't think he had autocross before, maybe a little bit. Was not one of the fastest drivers. I'll tell you what, he's becoming one very quickly. Look at this time, 25.398.
Not my fastest time, but see, I'm still 3 seconds slower than everybody else, than the fastest guys. Getting faster and faster.
This car was made for the sand line. Around the back loop, looking pretty fast here so far. Tight left turn coming up. Sliding around that turn, Stooter-tooing all the way home. Wow, getting a little excited there. Just clipped the cone, surprisingly, through the timer with a 24.695 plus one. Plus one, that's 2 second penalty. If the drivers hit a cone, it's 2 seconds for every cone. 2 seconds for every cone if you hit them. Chad Bowling up next in the number 26. Drop top 5.0. Top up today, so his hair's not blowing, but he is driving hard. Look at him sliding into the back loop. Looking very fast there. Hard to keep traction all the way around that long sweeping turn. We've got a hard left here. Gonna want to understeer, but it doesn't. Looks okay, and now into Time Killer. This is 25.171, not bad at all. Robbie Phillips in the Mac Tools Mazda Speed 3 turbocharged front wheel drive from Mazda. This is the fastest they could make this car. I think they came with like something like 280 horsepower from the factory or something. I don't know, something crazy. And he is using it here today. We'll see what kind of time he can throw down. I was talking to Robbie about this car. He says he basically races it, puts it up, and then gets it back out a month later and races it again. And you gotta love that about Mazda. 26.701.
The overflow for the transmission was open. 25.450.
Holly, as far as we know, does not rob banks.
That's a good time. Not too bad. Very cool. Appreciate it. No problem, brother. I think the helmet has to come off first. Woo.
137.
Okay, let me tell you.
137.
This is a bad to the bone car right here. Holy cow.
Steve Jordan, in the Insigniana, Steve, you're good.
Fully custom built.
Send it. Steve on the gas here. Now, if you've been to grip more than the past 2 months, your start.
That was fun.
For the right angle start.
That was fun.
The line here, but the timer to actually start. start till they pass the timers. Here, that's just easier on the cars. You don't have to hard launch your cars, which is good for not breaking things. It's not a nightmare. But when they So Clint is driving, my bad. As you might guess, we can't see people under our helmets, so we have to go by the number.